Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the World Trade Center for the AgriLink 2024. And it's very honor po para ipakilala po natin sa oras na ito, the President himself. Let's welcome from the Foundation for Resource Linkage and Development Incorporation. Let's welcome the President himself, Mr. Antonio Rosas. Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Well, the foundation is the organizer of AgriLink.
Yun.
And we have been, this is now our 29th exhibit. So we started in 1994. We missed 2 years because of pandemic.
Pero sir, is now still alive and very, napakasaya po nitong exhibit natin ngayon, sir.
Well, actually, medyo lumiit ito kasi nabawasan tayo ng tent. Dati we were filling 5 halls.
Puno sa labas.
Dati we had 2 air-conditioned tents attached. But World Trade took 1 down, so we are filling 4.
Okay. But still, next year maybe more bigger, right, sir?
Well, we'll have to look more space.
Yes. Okay, so what do we expect? At alam ko, very successful yung ating mga 2 to 3 days po. So ano ba yung naging experience po ng mga tao rito, sir?
Well, basically, we want the agri-stakeholders.
Yes.
Parang big supermarket ito, no? You go to Mega Mall, you have a lot of choices.
Oo nga.
So you can choose from the many available, the best that and the latest that suits you. What will fit with your particular enterprise. Ngayon, this exhibit also, in effect, reflects, though we are a private sector and our exhibitors are private, it reflects also the DA.
Yun.
Because we are AgriLink, so focus tayo sa agri.
Yes, sir.
So this year, at the suggestion of the DA, they said, it's time that we focus on agri-exports.
Tama.
Ang ano namin, gusto rin namin yan kasi masyadong nafo-focus ang tao na madami tayong ini-import.
Tama.
Pero meron naman tayong ini-export.
Yes.
So we are uncompetitive in some crops, but we are competitive in some.
Yun.
So we would like the stakeholders to study the crops where we are competitive, from which we derive our exports, like coconut, banana, pineapple, tuna, and carrageenan, from which we get toothpaste, etc., for all sorts of uses, and have them learn how these guys have become competitive and become export leaders, and maybe their sector can learn from this and improve their own. What they've seen is that these 5 crops have an efficient production and marketing chain.
Wow, that's a brilliant wisdom.
It is that makes them competitive.
Tama.
And they also have economies of scale. They are able to gather enough to make it attractive to export.
Tama.
So the government is trying to do that for other crops. They're encouraging clustering. They're encouraging, the secretary wants to go into agri-processing zones.
Yes.
So this can help the other crops become more competitive. Maybe in the case of corn, for example, and rice, if we cut our post-harvest losses, malaking mababawa sa ating import needs. And that's just, all you need is better dryer, better combine harvester. Dati, gapas, tambak, tapos thresher. Ngayon, pagdaan ng makina, labas, nakasako na yung palay.
Nakasako na, ang bilis ng production.
And hindi ka na nakukunan ng ibon, daga.
Ng mga peste.
Nabubulok. Diba?
Opo.
And it also expedites things. Kaya may darating na bagyo. Pag dinaanan, padala mo ng harvester, naani mo bago dumating yung bagyo.
Kumbaga, na-save mo na, no?
Kung mamano-mano mo, hindi ka...
mahirap yan. So, laking tulong nitong show na ito, sir, no? So, napakalaking tulong nito sa ating mga farmers at siyempre mga agriculturists natin, sir. Tama po ba, sir?
Yeah, that's why we've been able to sustain, because the agri-stakeholders, yung mga visitors natin,
Opo.
they're able to pick up ano ba yung magagamit nila na makakatulong na gumanda yung benta.
Tama.
And the other thing that the foundation has been pushing was market-led.
Yes.
Ideally, before you produce, meron ka ng target market.
Tama. So that's why there is a seminar, mga B2B.
We have seminar. And
B2B.
right now, as you came in,
Sample of the products.
you have Ani who is giving tips to the small farmers
Tulungan.
how to help them overcome their problems with their calamansi, pomelo, or whatever.
Yung mga prutas nila. Naku, ang saya nitong nito, sir. This is one of the sinusuportahan ng ating mahal na Pangulo, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, na talagang i-supporting the agriculture like this activity, sir. Tama po ba?
Well, in effect, itong AgriLink, we've got a retail section.
Tama.
Doon sa retail section, doon nagbibigay ng booths ang DA sa regions. Yung mga regional producers, magkaroon sila ng chance na makapakita ng produkto nila dito sa Manila at makahanap ng koneksyon.
Tama. Kumbaga ng mga buyer, mga magninegosyo. Naku, laking tulong nito. Sir, alam ko marami ka pang kakausapin, but congratulations, sir, sa napakagaling at napakahusay na sa pasalamatan natin yung mga naging partner natin, mga sponsor, sabi yung mga exhibitors po na nag-join po at magsasali uli for 2025, sir.
Well, a lot of our exhibitors suki na yan. And we are grateful for them because it is they that provide the attraction.
Tama.
But we help naman by providing in promotion and inviting the visitors. Kung walang bibisita, wala silang renta. But also, what we have done is we have tied up with national organizations like National Hag, UBRA, yung PSIA, which is the Philippine Seed Industry. Yung pinakamalaking sector namin dito, seeds ngayon.
Mamaya puntahan natin yan.
So, what we've also done, so through these organizations, we have co-organizers meeting, and they help invite the visitors. So, at the same time, they give us feedback. Ano bang gusto nilang ma-achieve? Anong kailangan nilang ipaabot sa gobyerno.
Tama.
So, this
kumbaga nagiging tuloy ang AgriLink.
Yes.
Para maging kung ano yung mga needs nila. Paano magkakaroon ng connection ng government from the market.
At least magkaroon sila ng dialogue because the government people are here, the DA people are here, and the farmers have opportunity to talk to them.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Ako, nagpapasalamat ako talaga. Okay, sir, nagpapasalamat po tayo. Yan po ang boses ng ating President, Mr. Antonio Roces po. The President of the AgriLink 2024. Siyempre, ang Foundation for Resource Linkage and Development Corporation, yan ang nag-produce or nag-organize ng AgriLink 2024. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon. Nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating major sponsor, ang BNU at Swedish Design, na gumawa po ng mga booth dito. No? At siyempre ang aming executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles. Siyempre ang World Trade Center. Sa ngala po ng programang Exhibits Today, ito po si Brother Falcon. Lagi nag-uulat lagi nagsasabing, God bless you.